Hi there, I'm going to show in this video tutorial how to bypass the phone activation on TCL50LE, alias known as TCL T510SP. When we try to configure this phone, we are told that in order to activate it we need an accepted SIM card, in this case from Verizon, and since we don't live in the USA and we either don't have also Verizon SIM card, we have no option to set up it. So in order to bypass this activation, I'm going to use Furious Gold OT Smart. So I start by choosing our model, and from here I'm going to choose ADB service. We remove the USB cable, we power off the device, and we press connect. When the software starts searching for the mobile, we insert the USB cable. And at this point we get an error, which is telling us to use the server auth to connect this phone. So okay, let's check it. We normally get this when a new security version is running in the phone. So before this we keep pressed volume down and power. We keep pressing volume down and power and insert the USB until the phone resets itself. So the phone did reset, and we now press connect. So the software is telling us that we need to press yes if we want to enable the LDB service, or no to disable it. I'm going to choose yes, since we need this in order to bypass that phone activation. Done. So in order to complete this process and activate the device, the software is telling us that we need to start the ADB shell from the command prompt and type the command below. So let's wait for the phone to start. Meanwhile, we have here the command prompt. Let's power it on. As you can see, once we enable the ADB service, we get here a new USB device. So let's type ADB. So as you can see, we are connected to the phone. Now let's take this command and paste it. And now we simply reboot the device. So as you can see, no more setup screen. We're in the phone menu. Now we can install apps. We can also use the SIM and use the phone normally. So thanks again for watching this tutorial. Thanks for using our products.